Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF document on a Mac. First, find the PDF file you wish to sign on your computer. Double-click it to open it automatically in the Preview application, which is pre-installed on your Mac. Once the document is open, locate the markup toolbar icon, which looks like a small pen or a toolbox. Click this icon to reveal all the available editing and annotation tools. This step prepares your document for adding a signature seamlessly. Now, let us create your digital signature within the Preview app. Click on the signature icon in the markup toolbar, which often looks like a handwritten signature line. You will then see options to create a new signature. One popular method is using your trackpad. Simply sign your name directly onto it. Alternatively, you can choose the camera option, sign your name on a piece of white paper, and hold it up to your Mac's built-in camera. Preview will then capture and digitize it instantly. After creating your signature, it will be automatically saved and appear as an option within the Signature tool drop-down. Click on the signature you just made to insert it directly onto your PDF document. It will initially appear at a default size and position. You can then simply click and drag the signature image to move it to the precise spot where you need it. Adjust its size by dragging any of the blue corner handles until it looks just right, ensuring it fits perfectly within the signing area. Once your signature is perfectly placed and adjusted, it is time to save your work. Go to the File menu at the top of your screen, then select Save. You might also choose Export if you want to save it as a new file, perhaps changing its name or location, which is useful if you need to keep the original unsigned version. Your PDF is now digitally signed and ready to be shared. You can easily email it or upload it to any platform with complete confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.